Now I'll show you how good Apple CarPlay is. It's fantastic. So where's the voice control on here? Voice control on here. 2 seconds. Navigate to Manchester Airport.
Getting directions to Manchester Airport.
You see there, go buttons come up. You don't have to touch it because you've told it and it will assume that you actually want to go there. You're on your way to Manchester Airport. You want to stop off somewhere. Take me to Costa Coffee.
One possibility is Costa Coffee on Queen Street in Preston. It adds 9 minutes to your route. Is that the one you want?
Yes, please.
Getting directions to Costa Coffee.
So it's going to take me to Costa Coffee first and then to Manchester Airport. And you can do that with if you've got a pickup, if you're stopping on the way. But the main thing is you can be driving down the motorway and you don't have to take your hands off the steering wheel. You just tell your phone or you tell this through voice activation. You want to play a track? 2 seconds. Shuffle music.
Shuffling all songs from Apple Music.
So I'll just put it onto Apple Music here. I'll just change it. So that's playing the Beatles there. You want to play a specific track? 2 seconds. Play Cold Little Heart.
Now playing Cold Little Heart, Radio Edit, by Michael Kiwanuka on Apple Music.
So you can play any individual track. It's absolutely fantastic. But again, it doesn't end there. It's such a good system. 2 seconds. Call Barrie.
Calling Barrie, iPhone.
So it's calling me.
Hi, this is Barrie. Sorry, I can't take your call at the moment.
So that was me. So it's called me. You want to send a text. Again, you're driving along the road. You remember something, you want to send a text. So 2 seconds. Text Barrie.
What would you like to say to Barrie?
Just testing this Range Rover 5 litre and the Apple CarPlay in it. It's absolutely brilliant.
It says, just testing this Range Rover 5L and the Apple CarPlay in it. It's absolutely brilliant. Do you want to send it or change it?
Send, please.
Done.
So it's sent. Now, you'll see there, that's come up on my phone, but I can't touch my phone. Messages, we've got one message there. Again, if I touch that, it will read it to me. But I don't have to touch it. Voice activation, 2 seconds. Read messages.
Barrie said, just testing this Range Rover 5L and the Apple CarPlay in it. It's absolutely brilliant. Would you like to reply?
No, thank you.
Those are all your messages.
Play Audible.
I'll need to access your Audible data to use the app. Is that okay?
Yes.
The Running Grave by Robert Galbraith, now playing on Audible.
Prologue. All individuals are not equal.
So that's Audible, and then you've got all the rest of the things. It's Amazon Music. We've got Spotify, YouTube Music. You can access any of those while you're driving without actually doing anything, without touching your phone. Your phone can be in your pocket. So it's all thanks to Apple CarPlay and this little device, CarPlay adapter box. And you can also get it for the USB-C socket. So brilliant.